guys, this is Infamous Gamer and today I'm gonna talk about issue that was I'm facing for last couple of days. The issue was Windows blue screen and Windows keep freezing out. So finally, after couple of days, I finally figured out what was the issue. So the issue was this guy CBS. I don't know what this means. It's in my blog, this one and this one. So simply how I fixed that, I fix like this. Firstly, open your CMD as administrator. After opening that, just make sure you first you saw this, Windows System 32 needs to be shown. Okay, so after that, run this command. I'll give you in the description. Copy this and run this command. After that, if you saw this issue, which means you have corrupted files in your Windows, so what you have to do now, after that, close that CMD and open it again, run as administrator, same. You just make sure you have to check this if there is, let me show you. If you don't run CMD as administrator, you will saw this C drive user curse. It's my name, so it's showing my name. So just make sure run as administrator. After that, run this command. Okay, run this whole command. After that, just based on your PC, this will take like 10 seconds or 5 to 2 minutes. Just wait 10 minutes. After completing that, you will see 100% completed. Let me show you what's gonna happen. Okay, image version, now it's started. Like if this completed 100%, you have to restart your PC. Okay, and please check that you are also updated. Check that you are not using outdated window. So just make sure you are using updated window. So like I just got the update, so just make sure keep your Windows up to date. And after completing this, restart your PC and voila, you are good to go. And hopefully this will fix your issue. And I was facing this issue just because maybe I'm using the Signal RGB software. Might be that's the issue, this software. But I didn't find any kind of issues. People are talking about that specific issue. This software giving, like I'm using for my just RAM because my motherboard doesn't have any RGB support and all that stuff. So I'm just using just this and my Razor Viper Ultimate to sync out the RGBs. But still, I'm not quite sure it's this software giving issues and all that stuff. But whenever I stream any game, after like 1 or 2 hours, my PC get blue screen or it get freeze. So like after that, I just downloaded the Prime 95 and Cinebench R23. After completing that, I restarted my PC and started my Prime 95 and Cinebench. Also for Mark, I ran both three at the same time, and for like more than like approx 50 minutes, and like PC doesn't crash from that moment. So I think it fixed the issue for now. I'm not quite sure the problem will again arrive or not. So fingers crossed, I think it's fixed that issue. So hopefully this video will help you out how to fix your PC, your corrupted files and all. So just make sure follow these steps. You will completely fix your PC. So that is it. Thank you for watching. My name is Infamous Gamer. Peace out.